Momentum trading took retail by storm following the insane rally after the 2020 bottom, the most popular form of this being breakout trading. The gist is you find a stock that is consolidating or chopping sideways in a pattern and you go long if it's breaking up or short if it's breaking down. This worked very well during all that craziness and you really didn't need much else. However, a vast majority of the time things are far more difficult. Subsequently, many breakout traders picked up a lot of bad habits over the last couple of years. I'm going to list the most common ones and how you can fix them, making this form of trading effective even in a choppy market like the one we are in now. First of all, never play the breakout candle. This is by far the most common mistake I see. There's a few reasons I say this. First of all, if you're trading options, premiums are going to be jacked on a candle like that. More importantly though, most breakouts retest. A retest is when a stock doubles back to an important level after a move. In this case, we're talking about the point where that stock breaks out. By waiting for that and only entering on a retest, you get the best possible entry for that play and a stop loss that is just below your entry. Sure, this might cause you to miss out on some things that just go nuts, but there's always another trade and it's much better to miss out than to lose money. Next, look for confluence. Confluence is when multiple things line up. For instance, if there's a trend line and a level in the same spot, there's many possible forms of confluence, and this is entirely based on your own personal trading system. I personally look at trend lines, levels, and the broader market. For instance, if SPY is breaking out as well, that adds something to my trade. The more confluence you have, the higher probability the trade is. I look for a minimum of 2 data points lining up to enter any trade. Lastly, false breakouts can be great trades too. This is a trade often neglected, and while it technically is not momentum trading, it can present an even higher probability of success in many cases. A false breakout is when a stock closes a candle above a breakout point and then closes one back under. In this case, you would enter when that candle closes back under or when it retests resistance after closing back under. This often results in a violent move in the direction that we break back into. So, to summarize, the 3 tips you must know before you trade breakouts or momentum. Number 1, never play the breakout candle. Always wait for a retest. Number 2, always look for multiple signals to line up, also known as confluence. And number 3, don't forget that false breakouts can be great trades too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any updates.